our tutorial. Now, while I was in between the tutorials, I ran this again and realised that the 6 seconds I'd put in here just didn't cut it. So I ran it again, and I've just decided 12 seconds is the better figure to use in there. So if you're copying this exactly, you just might need to change the wait time in here before he says thank you to 12 seconds, just to give that fairy enough time to do her thing. Right, so now we're going to have to get the scene change to go from out on the moors into the caves. So we're going to broadcast a message. Whoops. Here it is. Broadcast the message. New message into the caves. Okay. So right, so first of all, we'll deal with this one in a minute. We will go back to our backgrounds, to our backdrops, and when we get the message into the caves, we're going to now change our backdrop to the first cave one. That's it. The little stairs going up the side here. So here we are. That's all good. Right, so now that backdrop will change automatically. And basically he's going to be going up the stairs. So now I need to go back to him. And he is going to be seen. I'll need to make him a bit bigger. So first of all, shall I change his size? See where he's got to. Make him 50% this time. He's quite big for being in the caves there, so make him a bit smaller. 30% maybe. Yes, that looks good to me. So, might get him to walk in. Get him off any further? Don't think we can. Right, so first of all, he's going to have a show again, because I did hide him from the last one. He's going to go to, and we're going to need to set his size to looks. Set size to 30%. And show. Then we want him to move over here. So let's have a look at his costumes. Get him to move this foot. Go between these two. Leprechaun 3, Leprechaun 4. Okay, back to coding. Leprechaun. And some wait time in between, because we know what it's like when you can't find. So 0.25. And then we're going to have to get him to move this way, so it's going to be minus 10 steps. Each time. Oops. Right, so how many times do we want him to do that? 1, 2, 3. That should do it 3 times. So back we go to here. 1, 2, 3. So try it again. Helps if we put the repeat on, doesn't it? Three. Okay. Right, now I want him to go up the stairs. So I'll probably use the same stepping, except this time he's going to be going up. So, do we want him to say something? Maybe he could say something. The other thing is we would like our pot to be in here. So he's going to show on when I receive into the cave. Show. So I'll show him now. He's going to go up to the top here. Let's have a look at the backdrop where I'm going to put him. Be up here, maybe down here. Okay, whoops. So he'd be down here, but he's only going to be itty. So do we see into the size? Right. So set size to 50%. Where is he going to be? Here. Right, there he is. So maybe he is going to have something to say about finding the pot. Oops, again. Is it we have here? Question mark. Right, ready for my terrible Irish accent? Right. What is it we have here? Okay, get rid of all the bits and pieces at the beginning and the end. Play it. What is it we have here? Okay, save. Back to the coding. Sound. Recording one. Making sure we right, what is it we have here? So now he start going up the stairs, so he's going to go up. Now what I might do is use a derivative of this one. So duplicate. Be very careful to put it away from here. So we're wanting him to go up and across. So we're going to swap out the 10 for these two because we want to go diagonally. So change x by -10, change y by 10. So pull that off there. What's that going to do for us? Oops. Duplicate and put that here. Put that in there. Okay, see what we get there. Let's do it once. 2, 3, just a little bit high. 7, okay. Let's get him back to where he was. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's pretty good. No, just 4 will do. Okay. And then we might shuffle him over this way. Right, control, duplicate, put that to this side. So going to hit here, up, slightly going up, isn't it? So change Y by, I don't know, 3 maybe? It's a very small amount. So we get 1, 2, too much, 1. Right, getting him back to exactly the same place, you can see it takes a little bit of iteration. Right. Five, 6, 7, maybe 6. Okay. So, whoops, down here, under here, and up here. So the scene will go like this.
What is it we have here?
Right, so now we're in the position to change the scene to the closer up. And so for that we will need a broadcast at the bottom here. Okay, I'll leave it at that.